Video take number 2. 2021 RPod 180 for sale for $25,500. Perfect working condition. Has a slide out on the driver's side. Has an awning on the passenger side. Comes with automatic jack, so you don't have to do that manually. Propane tank battery. Battery shut off. Dual water filter system. Also comes with water pressure regulator. Comes with pads to go underneath the stabilizer jacks on all 4 corners. Comes with your freshwater hoses to connect at the campground. Original tires with about 3,000 miles on them. Comes with wheel chocks. There's your black and gray wastewater holding tank and connection. Black tank flush. Cable satellite connection for your campground. Electrical connection. Comes with the electrical cord, of course, as well as the surge protector. Coming around back, you have your spare tire cover, running lights, awning on the passenger side, front door with the screen door, 2 steps, storage in the back, a window on the side with the dining room area so you can see into your campground. There's a LED lighting underneath the awning, outdoor speakers, and your front porch light. Also comes with RV leveler ramps, outdoor rug, another storage in the front that goes all the way across. Also comes with the electric drill, battery powered drill, and the drill bit, so you can lower and raise your stabilizer bars without having to do it manually, which saves a lot of time. Also comes with the Curt sway control bar, which connects to the bumper here and the bumper of your vehicle. This unit also comes with solar on board, has solar power and inverter already on board. Keeps your battery powered. As we go inside, you can see there's a grab bar for safety purposes. 2 steps going in. As you come in to the left, there's a storage area with 2 drawers. There's your bathroom right in front of you. Kitchen right in front of you. To the right as you come in is your control panel. This is where you turn your interior lights on and off. Porch light on and off. Awning LED lights on and off. Slide room in or out. This is your kitchen area. And the awning extend or retract. All of that is electric. You don't have to do any of that manually. To your right as you come in is the dining area with the window that looks out over your campground. That folds down to make a single bed, which is actually very comfortable. Each light is individual, so you can have them all on turn them off as you wish. All the windows have blinds. The dining room is here. Of course, that table lets down onto those pieces there. Cushions fold down into a single bed. Very comfortable. Storage above. Lots of storage. We have a stereo system. Indoor and outdoor speakers. Bluetooth, AM, FM. Zone 1 is inside, Zone 2 is outside. Nice flat screen TV. Above storage, above the bed. Smoke detector and light. Nice window in the front, window to your left. Also comes with a girdle that goes outside and connects to the side of your RV. I replaced the mattress. It now has an 8-inch memory foam mattress. It's very, very comfortable. Electric outlet there, underneath the bed storage there. That's also where the heater is. Storage underneath the chair on that side of the dinette. And on that side of the dinette is where your fuses are with more outlets. And you can see the bathroom door from this direction. Going back toward the front door, here's your storage. Has a mirror on the front. Actually has a hanger for clothing. Adjustable shelves, which you can adjust or remove completely. 2 drawers for storage. Here's your bathroom. It's what we call a dry bath, because the shower curtain completely encloses the shower, so your sink doesn't get wet, your toilet doesn't get wet, nothing gets wet. Shower has a nice shower head, lots of storage. Sink with a mirror, towel holder, electrical outlets, lots of storage. Storage above the toilet, and the toilet, which has been winterized, of course. Very nice, spacious bathroom. On the wall of the kitchen, you have your control panels. This one controls your heating and air. This one tells you where you are with your fresh, black, and gray tanks, as well as your battery. This is your solar charge controller. Tells you where your solar panels are. USB port there. Slide out kitchen. 2-burner propane stove. Upgraded oval sink. Upgraded faucet. Lots of storage up above. Convection microwave oven with the metal rack for the convection. Storage underneath the sink. And a little doggy bowl if you have a dog. Dometic refrigerator. Runs on electric or gas. Lots of storage. Freezer compartment. Lots of storage. Underneath that is a little vacuum. You can sweep your dirt in there, and it stores it in a bag for you. This is a wonderful little unit. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll be glad to answer them. 2021 RPod 180 for sale. $25,500.